everyone, good morning. So today I have handpicked these beautiful kota suit sets. These are all net kota suit sets with chiffon dupattas because many of you have been asking me for casual wear sets with chiffon dupattas. So here you go, I have these. I think I had posted these earlier, but I hadn't put up a video preview of these, and few of you wanted to see a video preview. So here you go, I am taking you through each of these. Now I have them in such beautiful combinations. Now here the first one I'm going to show you is this beautiful midnight blue. Now as you can see, this particular print is for your yoke alone. Okay, that's just the yoke, and the body, if you can see, there is a slight self design on the body which is not very obvious. There is a self design on the body, and then what you see here, this pattern which is there as you see on the yoke, is basically for your sleeves. So when you stitch your sleeves, you can use this portion to design it. And other than that, the top is plain. It's just plain with self design, and you have this portion for your yoke. As you can see, that's your yoke portion. So that's this beautiful midnight blue top. The combination that comes with this is this lovely green shade. It's a beautiful green with a soft cotton bottom with which you can easily stitch your cigars, paddle bottoms, salwars, or any kind of bottoms, and it's a very comfortable soft cotton bottom. And the dupatta is again in a combination of the bottom and the top color, and it's a beautiful, comfortable, soft chiffon dupatta which you all most of you have been asking me on. So this is the first set, which is really pretty. It's in a midnight. Usually it comes in the other blue and green combination. This is in a midnight blue and a beautiful shade of apple green, or a tone of that green. It's a beautiful combination, guys. Very pretty kota set, a casual wear set with chiffon dupatta. The next one I'm going to show you is this lovely apple green shade. It's a matka top. It's similar to kota, no difference. It's a matka top. Again, for all these sets, as you all know, we need lining, so I don't have to mention that because all of you know that very well. Now the top here, as the earlier one, this particular portion is basically your yoke. So what you see here forms your yoke, and you also have self design on the body. You can see there is a self design on the body in tones of green, and there is this small block print buttas which runs on the body of the top. Here and there you have these buttas, and similar print as you see on the yoke is given for the sleeves. You can use them to stitch your sleeves, so that this portion is given basically for your sleeves. So that is this top design. Very beautiful combination of darker shade of green and an apple green color. A lovely summery colors, the speciality of this top. So that's the top. The combination that comes with this is in this beautiful orange cotton bottom. It's a beautiful orange color, and that combination is very striking, very summery, very beautiful color. And dupatta also has the same combination as that of the top and the bottom. So your main color is the orange color, and in combination to the apple green shade on the top, and then there is this print on the dupatta. So this is your dupatta combination for this particular set. So this is also a gorgeous combination in apple green and orange with chiffon dupatta. So that's the second one. The third one is again in a beautiful color of a light version of sea green. That's the shade. And let me open the top for you. We have this top in a different design. That is, we have it as half and half. So as you can see, the one side of the top has these on one portion, that is your left side of the top, may have this particular print, mango design print, and the other side will have these scattered block prints. So that's a little different about this top. Very, very beautiful. It's all in self tones, so it isn't very obvious, but quite different for your top design as well. So this is again in net kota, where you have half and half design for your top portion on the body of the top, and there is a separate piece given for the sleeves as well. And let me show you the back portion is also of the same design, so you can have your favorite design on whichever portion. Now this is your sleeve portion, where you have the same mango design given for the sleeves, so you can use this for your sleeve portion. There is a separate portion on the top given for your sleeve part. So this is your light sea green color. It may not be same in the video, it might look a little different. I would suggest you to take a look at the picture posting. Now the combination for this is in a beautiful peach pink bottom, which also has a self design on it. If you can see, there is a self design. It's a soft cotton bottom. It's a beautiful peach pink combination. Dupatta again is in a combination of the sea green, light sea green, and this peachy pink color with print. So that's your dupatta combination. Again, a very beautiful shade, guys. Very rare and very summery, beautiful color. That's your third kota set. And the final one is again in this lovely shade of a leaf green or a light pista green and another shade of green. This particular portion you see is your yoke, and again, as the earlier ones, you have this beautiful mango design for the sleeves, and the top has a self design, a beautiful self design on it. That's it. That's the top part of it. And the combination is a beautiful lavender. As you can see, a beautiful lavender soft cotton bottom, simple soft cotton bottom, and dupatta is a combination of the top and the bottom in beautiful lavender and green with these prints. So absolutely subtle, beautiful, summery combination, guys. Very beautiful add-ons to your wardrobe for your casual outings and also for your office wear. You can definitely, team it up with some great accessories and go about your day. So please do take a look at the picture postings and get back to me if you would like to know the price and book these items. Thank you, guys. Take care. Stay safe.